Yes, students, welcome back to English grammar class. Here we are going to learn the chapter 9 today. So the chapter 9 is about use of is, am and are. Is, am, are. So let's see some of the points where we need to use these words, that is, am and are. Coming to the first point, we use is or am when we talk about a person or thing. So you should remember that we use the word is or am. Is and am is used when we talk about person or when we talk about any things. Am is always used with I. When we make use of I, we make the use of am. So am is always used with I. Next, the third one, we use are when we talk about two or more people or things. That is, are is used when we talk about many people, more than one. That is, we talk about two or more people or things. We make use of are. So, is and am is used when we talk about person or thing. Am is used with I. Are is used about two or more people or things. Look at these pictures and read the sentences given below. Here you can see the pictures are given. You can see the picture of an egg is given, and in the next picture also you can see there are eggs there. So let's read the sentences what they have given here. So here it is written there is one egg, and here it is written there are three eggs. So what is the difference between the sentence, children? You can see there is only one egg present. So is used where there is only one thing. So there is one egg. In the next sentence, there are. Are means there are more than two. There are many eggs. So it is said as there are three eggs. You can see the next picture. A bird is flying in the sky. So we can see here there is only one bird. So bird is flying. And here birds are flying. Why are flying? Because there are many birds flying in the sky. So are is used. Coming to the next one, duck is swimming in the pond. A duck is swimming means there is only one duck. So is used. Here ducks are swimming in the pond, meaning to say there are more than two ducks. So ducks are swimming in the pond. So is used where there is only one object, and are is used for more than two, that is more than one. Or we can say when there are many objects, are is used. Here you can see the exercises, filling the blanks with is, am or are. So with the use of is, am, are, you should fill the given blanks here. So coming to the first one, we have here the tree dash full of mangoes. We written here, children, the tree dash full of mangoes. We should use is, am or are. You can see the tree. Tree means it is only one. So the answer to is, I'll just underline here, is. The tree is full of mangoes. Coming to the second one, I dash writing a letter. We have read that always am is used with I. So I am writing a letter. Number 3, they dash playing hide and seek. Children, they is or they am or they are? They are. They are playing hide and seek. Meaning to say there are many children who are playing hide and seek. Ravinder dash standing under a tree. Children, Ravinder is only one. So you should say Ravinder is standing under a tree. Number 5, only 3 boys is present, am present, are present. Boys, 3 boys are present. Geeta dash teacher, children, is a teacher. There dash a bird on the tree. There a bird means there is only one bird on a tree. There is a bird on the tree. There are many flowers in the garden. Johnny and Tony are my friends because there are more than one. So Johnny and Tony are my friends. Look, there is a rainbow in the sky. So in today's class we have studied chapter 9 of using is, am and are. These words how to use we have studied. So kindly copy this exercise in your textbook.